Duck, you sucker. Directed by Sergio Leone and starring Rod Steiger and James Coburn. This was Leone's last Western film, and for many, it is considered one of his most overlooked movies. I didn't personally like it nearly as much as The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, but it is good. The first half I found to be the best part because it did a really good job introducing the characters and the situation to us, and it never dragged even during the slower bits. But the second half, killed the mood. Yeah, at least for me. With every scene, it felt like more and more air was escaping this really giant, big-ass balloon, and I couldn't stop it. There were a few of these flashback scenes that played in slow motion, and pretty slow motion. And at first, I didn't understand the point of them. But then I looked it up online, and, you know, they give you kind of an outline, sort of telling you what that was for. And even then, when I read it, like, it made sense, but I just didn't feel like it was a requirement to show that. It was a small enough detail that had there been some dialogue somewhere in the film that had touched on that, you know, just sort of giving us an idea of what that was, that would have been fine. Probably sounds weird to hear that coming from me though, because I'm always talking about visual storytelling rather than, you know, show, don't tell. Here, though, I think it's an exception because the visual representation of that isn't all that interesting and isn't all that consistent enough for us to remember. They show us in the beginning, and then they have this big block of time, and then at the very end they kind of remind you of the past, and you're kind of like, oh, yeah, that's still part of the story. And as for the ending, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but I didn't really like the way they went about it. I think it could have been better. My biggest problem with the film, though, by far, was that there were certain scenes where Sergio, and this is more towards the end, where he clearly wanted you in some sort of emotional state, like feeling sad about something. He'd show you an image and it was supposed to make you feel sad, right? The problem is that the way he did it, it feels so forced. It's not genuine at all. It just right there in your face, and he's like, feel sad. That is sad. And some of the camera work bugged me pretty bad too. It was like there were a lot of these zooms. Some of them were more fast, some of them were pretty slow, but there were these zooms. I'm gonna stop doing this. But there were these zooms that some of them were fine more early on, but some of them just took me out of the experience. So as a whole, not a great film, I don't think, but I would suggest it if you like westerns, and especially if you like the Dollar Trilogy, or if you like James Coburn, because he's a badass. I can't say I have a desire to ever watch it again, but if somewhere down the road it comes upon me, like for a class requirement, you know, they want me to watch it for the class, then sure, I'll watch it. I give it 3 out of 5 stars. Thank you for your time, and have an awesome day.